Cats, are you ready for your magic? Come on, are you ready for your magic? Okay. How about with a puppet show? Okay. So kids, later on, I'll give you a chance to take a picture and to lift the puppet as well. And we'll give you a chance as well to take a picture inside the giant bubbles. With one condition, you have to be naked. Okay? Alright? Okay, very good. And kids, I just have a quick do's and don'ts during the Magic and the Puppet Show. We don't allow any bypassers during the Magic and the Puppet Show. Just stay where you are, stay at your seats, no bypassers, okay? And